Laser cutting uses a high-powered laser to cut through various materials with precision. Hypersonic jet, an aircraft capable of flying at speeds exceeding Mach 5, enabling rapid global travel and potential advancements in military operations. Computer-controlled cutting and shaping of materials with high precision. Injection molding produces plastic parts by injecting molten material into a mold cavity. Welding joins materials together by melting and fusing them using heat. Artificial intelligence in agriculture is being increasingly utilized to optimize decision-making processes. AI helps farmers make informed decisions for improved productivity and sustainability. Water jet cutting utilizes a high-pressure stream of water to cut through materials. Industrial fermentation, production of various substances such as alcohol and enzymes, through microbial growth. Chemical vapor deposition of thin films onto surfaces by introducing chemical precursors into a reaction chamber. Powdered metallurgy is a manufacturing process that produces metal parts by compacting and sintering powdered metal. Controlled environment agriculture refers to growing crops in controlled environments like greenhouses or indoor vertical farms. Industrial distillation is the separation of different components in a mixture based on their boiling points. Electroplating is the process of coating a metal object within a thin layer of another metal using electrolysis. Industrial refrigeration is the cooling system used for various industrial applications. Industrial water treatment is the process of purification and treatment of water for industrial processes. Industrial automation is the use of control systems and software to automate industrial tasks and processes. Industrial painting, application of protective or decorative paint coatings to industrial surfaces. Industrial composting is the controlled decomposition of organic waste to produce compost. Industrial evaporation, the concentration of liquid solutions by evaporating the solvent. Industrial drying is the removal of moisture from materials using various drying techniques. Industrial cleaning processes and equipment designed for industrial environments. Industrial mixing is the process of blending of multiple substances to achieve homogeneity. Robotic arm, the multitasking octopus of the factory floor, making humans feel like mere mortals. Industrial filtration, the separation of solids from liquids or gases using filters. Robots and autonomous vehicles are being developed and deployed in agriculture to perform various tasks such as planting, harvesting, pruning, and monitoring crop health. Industrial sterilization, elimination of microorganisms from objects or surfaces to ensure hygiene and safety. Industrial sealing, application of seals or gaskets to prevent leakage or contamination. Industrial inspection is the quality control and inspection of industrial products using automated systems. Industrial material handling, efficient movement, storage and control of materials within industrial facilities. Industrial laser marking is the process of permanent marking or engraving of objects using laser technology. Industrial gas separation based on their physical properties, such as absorption of cryogenic distillation. Industrial coating, the process of application of protective coatings to enhance the durability and appearance of surfaces. Aquaponics is a system that combines agriculture, fish farming and hydroponics, soilless plant cultivation. Industrial soldering, joining of metal components using molten solder. Industrial heat treatment is the process of controlled heating and cooling of materials to alter their physical properties. Industrial ion exchange, or removal of ions from a solution using ion exchange resins. Industrial pressure casting process that uses pressure to fill molds with molten material. Industrial ultrasonics is the use of high-frequency sound waves for cleaning, welding, or inspection. Industrial conveyor systems are automated systems for transporting materials within industrial facilities.